So hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Volantex ASW28. So I think it's the V2 version. I ordered the V2 version, but I honestly can't find it anywhere written out. So I just think it really is the second version. Maybe a quick look on here. So it's the P&P version. And I think on this side it says version, I think. Durable and so on. Now let's take us that one. Super scale design with the pilot canopy, flips, durable plastic in there. So let's open it up. Here. To cut here as well. You'll see. And we're already losing stuff. So let's put that aside. Take a quick look at this one here. And it says product description. So I can't find the V2 mark anywhere. But let's just leave them. So this is the pilot, actually looks pretty nice, I think. I think it's the first plane I have with a pilot. It's pretty cool. And then with the stickers here. Put it aside as well. And inside here, so we have the, I think this is the tail. Bird stabilizer. So it's actually a living hinge. Okay. 2 servos. Makes sense. Elevator and rudder, I guess. This is the vertical stabilizer. So where's the hole? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Looks actually pretty good. I think this came loose. And also for the flaps and ailerons. Okay. Wheel. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think the V2 comes with a wheel and the V1 doesn't. So maybe this is why it's the V2. Let's take a quick look inside. I'm not sure it can focus here. Okay, nice. Let's see if we can get a glimpse of the EC. It says EV30, 30 amps, 2 to 4S. LiPo. Actually going to run this on 4S with the stock prop because I heard from 2 to 3 guys that it would work, and we'll see. I mean, worst case, motor burns out or EC, and I hope I can glide it down. That sounds like a super stupid idea, but this is the canopy. Okay. What? I think I was told if I put them on I can't use the box for transportation. But yeah, let's see. Yes, I can put them diagonally, but then I can't put the rest in. Let's see. ASW28. It's supposed to be a 3S plane, but I know that some are successfully running the stock propeller with a 4S LiPo. If you keep it light, it should work. I mean, we aren't using the motor like all the time. Pretty basic build. You have to add the servo horns, the connection rods, and the horns on the first, I'm going to skip one page. So. I think you should be able to read it, but I'm not sure. Okay, so much for that. Then let's take a look. I was a little bit disappointed because there's some damage to the wing. Just those 2 marks. Might try it bang, but not sure yet if that's a big deal or not. Still disappointed. Living hinges, not too bad, but like a little bit disappointed. Carbon spars, very nice. Carbon spar here. One thing I noticed is that we have square spars here, aluminum spars, and round aluminum spars to go inside with a little bit of slack. Could be better, but not major. The other wing looks like same damage, but a little bit deeper. And yeah, slightly different position. Weird, not sure how this happened. So then what else can we look at? Vertical stabilizer. Nee, horizontal stabilizer? Another aileron. Let's call it like that. And this should go on top of it. Yeah, just like those. Now we have the winglets. Those make it tiny bit longer than the box. So after putting those on, it will be hard to fit all in there. But maybe I would just put the wings in there and the body stays outside because that looks quite durable. So sorry, the recording stopped. All you guys missed was I unboxed the servo horn and servo linkages that I still need to put in here. And this little piece for, like, I think it's a tail skid. But yeah, so much about that. I think it looks pretty promising. I'm looking forward to flying it, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next unboxing.